Hello geeks, welcome to College Coders. So in this video I am going to show you how you can print this star pattern using for loop in Java language. Okay. So first of all create a new file pattern2.java. So click on this, then click on new file. Okay, here. Then type here pattern2.java. Okay. Then firstly we will create the class public class pattern2. Then under this class we will create the main function. Okay. So type here public static void main string args. Okay, then under this we will create two for loop. One is outer for loop for row and second is inner for loop for column. Okay, so I type here outer for loop for row. Okay, then we will create outer for loop. So type for parenthesis data type int variable I initialize with 1. Then we will execute I till 4. Okay, so I less than equal to 4. Then increase the I plus plus. Then under this we will create inner for loop. So I type here inner for loop for colon. Okay, then we will create inner for loop. So type here for parenthesis data type int variable j initialize with 1. Okay, then we will execute 2j till I. Okay, so j less than equal to I semicolon, then increase the j plus plus. Okay, then under this we will print the star. Okay, so type here system dot out dot print star, then semicolon. Then outside the inner for loop we will again type system dot out dot println for new line. Okay, so type here system dot out dot println. Okay, for new line. Then click on the run icon for execute the whole code. Okay, so I click. So guys, you can see the output of this code. The pattern has been printed as I have shown you on the right side. Okay guys, so like this you can easily print the star pattern. So if this video really helpful for you, so like this video, subscribe to College Coders and click on the bell icon for new videos notification. Till then, thanks for watching guys.